Alright, so at this point it's possible that you've seen me unbox several YogaClub boxes, because I get them every month. On occasion though, I keep the boxes so that I can build a fort. Hi babies! Oh, hi! I'm super excited to share my latest YogaClub box. Now, I know that you've seen me unbox these before. And as a tribe leader, I get to participate in sharing why I love YogaClub Box so much. If you're unfamiliar, it's a subscription service. You get a box every month. I get the Guru Box, which has 3 pieces in it. And I fill out a style quiz to let my stylist know kind of what it is that I'm looking for. And I actually go in and change my style quiz pretty often because I wear yoga clothes for everything. So I'm going to open the box with you today. It just got dropped off. Literally, the FedEx lady just left. Every time that you get a box, there's a little reminder in here that says, love guaranteed. So for whatever reason you don't like what you got, if there's a piece in here that you're just not in love with, you can send it back. It's super easy, and they'll send you options for a new piece. And then you make sure that you get something that you do really love. I have returned a piece before that just wasn't quite for me in that season, you know? And I got something that I like instead. So you'll open the tissue paper, and inside there's a reminder that you get Lotus Bucks every time that you get a box, and then eventually you get so many Lotus Bucks and you can get a free box or something for somebody else. And then the best part comes is when you get to figure out what's inside. So it looks like I got a cover up, and YogaClub Box, my stylist knows now how much I love a good cover up. So I wear these all the time. This is really cute. And it looks like it's longer in the back, so it'll keep my bum nice and warm in the winter. It's got a hood and a high neck, so that will keep me warm and dry during the winter months. This is from a brand called The Free Yoga, and I'm actually not familiar with this brand either. I love getting new brands, but it looks like this retails for $90 originally, which is insane that I just got it for the price of a Guru Box, which if you look on your promo sheet is an $80 value. So the Guru Box itself costs $80. This piece of activewear right here is $10 more than this entire box, which is really cool. I asked for some brighter colors this time, and it looks like they delivered. So I got this bright pink pair of leggings. You will not miss me walking down the street in these. I guarantee you I will get some head turns in these bad boys. This is from Fit, idealfit.com, and these retail for $75 alone, this pair of leggings. Right here, this was almost $200 worth of yoga clothes. And a bra, because I love sporty bras and I love to wear them, and I'm always looking for new things for my practice. This is very cute. It's also from one of my favorite brands, Free People. And this bra retails for $38. So right away here, we have over $200 in yoga clothes. So really excited to share this with you, and I look forward to posting pictures and sharing my pictures with you. And if you're going to give the gift of YogaClub Box, please use the link below that I've pasted in the description, and that link will get you 20% off any one of these boxes. So whether you decide to get the Mantra Box, which is 1 pair of yoga pants, the Karma Box, which is a 2-piece outfit, or the Guru Box, which is the one that I get, which is a 3-piece outfit. So I hope that you'll check it out